Welcome to our product exhibiting center. There are all sorts of machines showing in the center, from the main equipment installed on production lines, such as cleaning, elevators, peeling, hulling, sorting, grading machines, etc., to the intelligent equipment which were manufactured, developed and patented by Wingtong China. Here is the exhibition area of intelligent equipment, where mainly shows the intelligent flexible rice polishing machine, smart wheat corn mycotoxin reducing machine, and intelligent duplex embryo rice machine. Due to the constant orders from our clients, we are now actually short of stockings. Here are our cleaning, elevating machines, which is mainly used in the grain processing of pre-treatment. Here are the grain peeling, dehulling machines, which have been developed and designed for years according to the features of different grains. This machine is a high square screen, which is mainly used for grain grading, sorting in large-scale processing lines. This is the smart oat hulling machine, designed in 2021. With the largest capacity in China, this machine is mainly used for raw oat dehulling requirement from foreign clients. This machine is the vending machine of grain soup designed and manufactured by Wingtong China to comply the national healthy strategy. It can mill more than 16 sorts of grains and produce a cup of soup with more than dozens flavors availably. Linking to the cloud server, scanning the QR code with mobile phone, and visualized operating makes a fresh multi-grain drink in 50 seconds.